Alright, what's up guys? I am out here today doing a little bird hunting with Cady. About 50 degrees. Good breeze, 10 miles an hour or so. We had some good rain last night, so there's some moisture, but I think should be good hunting. So I'm gonna let her do some running. I'm gonna get some steps in. Got about 2 hours before I gotta log back on at work, so let's see if Cady can't lock down a couple and get some good video. So hopefully you're seeing this, because that means we got a couple birds. Probably gonna keep my videos short and sweet this year. Don't have a ton of time. I got a 2-year-old at home. We're talking about moving, all that stuff, but fun to get out nonetheless, and at least you guys can see them. So if you like these videos, we'll be seeing more of them. Like, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully we'll see some action here pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Good girl, Cady. Good girl, I'm coming. Easy. Good girl. Easy. Where you at, baby? Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Go on, go get him, Cady. Where is he? Come on, fetch him up. He's in there. Would you get him stuck in some thorns? Huh? Oh, ha ha! That a girl. That a good gift. Good girl, Cady. Hey, a good girl. That's a good bird. That's a good bird. Good girl. Good girl. All right, go get another one. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Dead bird. Good girl, Cady. Good girl. That a girl. That's how it's supposed to work. Come here. Give. Good girl. Good girl.